Hi everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to execute the hive programs. Hive will be executing on top of the hadoop. So first we have to check that hadoop is running in the system. How to check? With the JPS command. Yes, name node, data node, node manager, secondary name node, resource manager, all the nodes are available. So we can execute the hive program here. Simply you have to type the command hive, then it is going to start the hive. Now to check the hive is working properly or not, first you have to type the command show database, show databases. See, okay, default. See, if it is giving the okay, then it is working properly, the hive is working properly. If it is giving error, then you have to check for the installation. Next we'll start doing the thing. First you have to create a database, create database employee. See, employee is already available. I will change the name employee 1. Now I have to check that the employee 1 has created or not. See here, employee is there, employee 1 is also created. Next, in this employee 1, we have to start using this employee 1. See, multiple databases may be created in which you are going to be creating the tables. That you have to be careful of using the use of command. You have to type the use employee 1.1. You have to type and this one, then it is going to start using the employee 1. In that one we are going to be creating the tables. Next is creating the tables. This is database. In that database we are going to be creating the multiple tables. Create table name you have to give. I will give the table name as a employee details. See, in this one we have to specify the fields. I specify the fields as a employee ID and type. We have to mention that one. It is which type? It is a int. Then employee name, it is a string. Employee salary, it is a int. E-rating, e-rating is a int. See, this table I am going to be creating employee details. In that employee details it is going to have the employee ID, name, salary and the ratings. It's already existing the table, so I am going to be continuing with the same table. Next is a row format delimited fields. See how the rows are delimited, that we have to specify here. Row format delimited fields terminated by, it is going to be terminated by a semicolon, comma. So we are going to specify that one. Stored as a text file. See, whatever the file is there, that is stored as a text file. The table employee details has been created. We have to check that it is created or not with this command describe employee details. See, it is created. Employee ID of type int, salary int, e-name, string, e-rating, int. It has been created. We'll create another one table, that is the employee expenses. Create table employee expenses, employee ID, int, next employee expenses, it is also of type int, next row format delimited by, see here my file is delimited with a tab, so I will give the tab here, stored as a text file, it has been stored as a text file. If you do any mistake, it will give the error, you have to check that one. Create table employee expenses, int expenses as a employee expenses as a int, row format delimited by, so we have missed some content, delimited fields terminated by a tab, delimited fields terminated by a this one, then it has been created. If you do any mistake, it will give the error. Whenever you are going to get error, you have to check that whatever you have written, it is correct or not. If you are doing any small mistake also, it will give a error. See, analyzing error is very difficult, so try to write it correctly, properly. Next, describe employee expenses. So it has been, the table has been created. Now the thing is to put a data into this one. It is similar to the database. How we have done, create the table, insert, select, star, same commands are there here. Here the difference is it is a big data one. So the data will be in the form of a file. That file we are going to be loading here. So we are going to be loading a file into the database. For that the command is load data local in path. You have to specify the address here. So you can copy the address from the home directly. My employee details is there here. You copy the path and paste here. Path, then you have to write down the override into table employee details. Next, I am going to be creating a, see, we will check that it is the content has been came or not. How to check the content? Select star from employee details. It will show the content of the particular table. See here, the data has been loaded. See, my employee expenses file, employee details file, it is going to have this same data. The same data has been uploaded into the employee details table. Next, we'll load the another one table. Load data local in path. We'll copy the address of the employee expenses. Here, this is the employee expenses. Copy the path and paste here. Override into table employee expenses. It has been loaded. Select star from employee expenses. The data has been loaded. See, in this one you have to query the tables. See, I will tell that you have to select the employee who all are having the salary about 20,000. For that we will write one query: select star from employee details where employee salary is greater than or equal to 20,000. See, who all are having above or equal to 20,000, it is going to be showing that one. Like this, queries will be there. If you want to exit, you have to simply write the quit command. It will exit the execution.